Everybody is looking for a smooth, noise-free car ride. But that door creak? Not so much. Let's fix that in just a few minutes. First, grab some lubricant spray. Silicone-based works best. Open the door and spray the hinges and latch area. Don't be shy, give it a good spray. Now open and close the door a few times to work it in. Still hear noise? Check the weather stripping around the door. If it's dry or cracked, rub some silicone grease on it. That should do the trick. For persistent noise, check for loose screws or bolts and tighten them up. And voila, no more creaky doors. Enjoy your smooth, quiet ride. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car tips.